Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to do chapter 22 Height and Distance. Let us start the exercise. First question. The height of a tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. Here, let AB be the tree and BC be its shadow. We have to find the elevation of the sun. Find the elevation of the sun. Let theta is the angle of elevation of the sun. Let BC is equal to x meter. Then AB is equal to root 3 into x meter. We have to find out the elevation of the sun. Here it is given that this AB is root 3x and BC is x meter. From these two relations we have to make the trigonometrical ratios. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So here tan theta is equal to root 3x divided by x, that is equal to root 3. In which value of tan is root 3? The value is tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, the required angle of elevation of the sun is equal to 60 degree. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground at a distance of 160 meter from its foot is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Here AB be the height of the tower and C is a point which is 160 meter away from the foot of the tower. That is BC is equal to 160 meter. Let the height of the tower be h. In right angle triangle ABC, we have to find out this h. From this value, you have to find out the value of this AB. Make the trigonometrical ratio between these two. So, tan theta is equal to AB divided by BC. So, tan 60 is equal to h divided by 160. The value of tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 equal to h divided by 160. Therefore, h is equal to 160 into root 3. The value of root 3 is equal to 1.732. So, the answer is 1.732 into 160 is equal to 277.12 meter. Therefore, the required height of the tower is equal to 277.12 meter. Next question. Two persons are standing on the opposite sides of a tower. They observe the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 30 degree and 38 degree respectively. Find the distance between them if the height of the tower is 50 meter. Here PQ be the tower and two persons A and B are standing on the opposite side of the tower. And the height of the tower is 50 meter. The angle of elevation with A and B are 30 degree and 38 degree respectively. Let AQ is equal to x and BQ is equal to y. Now in right angle triangle PAQ, you have to find out the distance between these two persons. So, the value of this PQ. You must find out the value of this AQ and PQ. So, from the relation based on this angle, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. The relation is tan 30. So, tan 30 is equal to, tan 30 is equal to 50 divided by x. You know the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Therefore, 1 by root 3 is equal to 50 divided by x. Therefore, x is equal to 50 into root 3. That is equal to 50 into 1.732 equal to 86.6 meter. Again, in right angle triangle, PBQ, you have to find out the value of y, so you have to take tan theta. Tan 38 is equal to 50 divided by y. Here the unknown value is in the denominator, so the division of that one is little bit difficult. So make it the unknown value is in the numerator part. So you can write this as cot 38 is equal to y by 50. You know 38 is equal to 90 minus 52. So you can write this as cot 90 minus 52 is equal to y by 50. Cot 90 minus 52 is tan 52. So tan 52 is equal to y divided by 50. The value of tan 52 from the table is 1.2799 equal to y by 50. Therefore, y is equal to 1.2799 into 50. That is equal to 63.995 equal to approximately 64 meter. Therefore, the distance between A and B is equal to x plus y. That is equal to 86.60 plus 64 equal to 150.6 meter. Next question. A boy 1.6 meter tall is 20 meter away from a tower and observe the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower in each case. Here AB be the tower, MN be the boy, who is 20 meter away from the foot of the tower. Let this AB is equal to AL is equal to x meter. The angle of elevation, first case, the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Here NB is equal to 20 meter. Draw a line parallel to NB that meet ML. Therefore, ML is also 20 meter. Boy's height is 1.6. Therefore, this BL is also 1.6 meter. In right angle triangle AML, tan 45 is equal to AL divided by ML. You know the value of tan 45 is 1. Therefore, 1 is equal to x divided by 20. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 20 meter. Therefore, the required height of the tower is equal to x plus 1.6. That is equal to 20 plus 1.6 equal to 21.6 meter. Second case, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Here tan 60 is equal to AL divided by ML. You know the value of tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, root 3 is equal to x divided by 20. Therefore, x is equal to 20 into root 3 equal to 20 into 1.732 equal to 34.64 meter. Therefore, the required height of the tower is equal to x plus 1.6 equal to 34.64 plus 1.6 equal to 36.24 meter. Next question. The upper part of a tree broken over by the wind makes an angle of 45 degree with the ground, and the distance from the root of the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 15 meter. What was the height of the tree before it was broken? Here AB be the tree which was broken at the point C, which makes an angle of elevation of 45 degree with the ground at a distance of 15 meter from the root of the tree. That is, BD is equal to 15 meter. Let AC is equal to, this AC is same as this CD. This much part is broken and hanging at the point D. Therefore, the height of the tree is equal to X plus BC. Now in right angle triangle BCD, you have to find out the value of this BC and AC. AC is same as CD. So from the relation BC, tan 45 is equal to BC divided by BD. You know the value of tan 45, that is 1 is equal to BC divided by 15. Therefore, BC is equal to 15 meter. Now you have to find out the value of CD. From the relation, this is hypotenuse and this is base. The relation is cos. So, cos 45 is equal to BD divided by DC. The value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2 is equal to 15 divided by x. Therefore, x is equal to 15 into root 2. That is equal to 15 into the value of root 2 is 1.414 equal to 21.21 meter. Therefore, the required height of the tree is equal to BC plus AC, that is 21.21 plus 15 equal to 36.21 meter. So I hope today's exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.